Hello everyone, welcome to the market really update. So currently DXY is in a short-term bearish momentum. Okay, we can see that DXY currently is under the resistance zone. We need to observing this week whether it is breaking up or get rejected by this level. If it get rejected by this level, we can observing the second support zone, which is our trend line. So if it get rejected by this, we might going back to check, is it going to keep the position to defending the DXY to breaking it to the upside. Okay, if we get breakthrough, we can observing the third key level, which is our support zone. Okay, so overall the momentum is still in bullish. Okay, let's move on to the gold. Okay, the gold is still under the trend line, which means it's still in the overall bullish, bearish momentum. But in case we can see that for Friday, Thursday, and Wednesday, last Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, is under the which we call the resistance zone. But the Friday, the spike, the news, the CPI PCE something, okay, it pushed the price to the higher. Therefore, we need to observing this key level, whether is it breaking out, is defending the price from here to here, or it gets the breakthrough and going furthermore. Now is the USY. USY overall is still in a bearish momentum. Okay, we can see that. Sorry. Uh, okay, here is the support level, but okay, it get rejected by the support level. So what I'm looking for is it going back to this, take a retest, and then it breaks, going further down more. This is my overall view for the US oil. Okay, let's move on to the Nasdaq. So currently Nasdaq is still in a really strong momentum of bullish. So if we're looking at a smaller time frame, which is 4-hour chart, we can notice that the overall trend is still in a bullish momentum, which means it's just creating higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. So what I'm looking for, if it's back to this zone, I mean the trend line, we might considering to take a long position around here, and the stop loss will be here. Okay, but the take profit might just open or take a 1 by 1. We make a 1-1 ratio. Okay, let's move on to the Dow Jones. Okay, the Dow Jones currently is creating the chart pattern we call double top, or if the price forming this, am I considering to take a short position here, and the targeting will be here. All right, so this is my overview for the Dow Jones. Okay, this is the overview for Dow Jones. And let's move on to the German 40. Okay, the Germany 40 is showing a break of structure. It's showing a break of structure. Okay, and also we can see that it's holding above the resistance zone now, and I mean the resistance zone now, which means it turns to support zone. So for the German 40, we might considering to take a long position around here, but we can see that it currently is in a short-term bearish momentum. Therefore, we needed to break above this, and then we might considering to take a long position around this key level.